where we make
learning Kizomba fun and easy.
If this is your first time here,
we recommend subscribing to our YouTube channel so you can and ring the notification bell so you can be notified as soon as we upload a video.
If you have questions or feedback,
we'd love to hear from you. Please list them in the comment section below.
If you find this video useful,
we suggest you sign up for our 12 weeks Kizomba course starting the very first Tuesday of every month.
Now, if you would like to follow along and download this specific music,
the link will be provided below and you can download it and practice as many times as you want. Remember, we do not cover the Kizomba Basic 1, 2, and 3 and the Kizomba Phoenix Basic 4, 5, 6 because we have made other videos that you can refer back to.
Okay, let's go!
Hey! This week, we have something very easy and fun. Here we go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Fantastic.
Breaking it down?
Breaking it down. 5, 2 virgulas. For the gentlemen, we're going to start with 2 virgulas. Here we go. 5, 6, half tempo, 7. Here we go. 1, and 2, and 3, and 1, 2, 3, and from the other side.
For the follows, 2 virgulas going backwards. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, side, together. 1, 2, side, together. One more time. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and. Now the 3 and will be, of course, a cha-cha step run.
The next 8 count will be the pièce de résistance, as some folks call it. We're going to start with the 1 with the side step. 1. On 2, we are going to do a rotation, not a body roll. Rotation, land on 2. My weight is on my left, I'm on my right.
Ladies, the weight is on the left.
This is on 2. On 3, we're going to step forward. 3. On 4, I'm going to use my right hand as I dig into the lady's rib cage to encourage her to move forward on 4. Don't go yet. 4. Fantastic. From this angle, so we have 1 rotation, 2 step, 3 double step, 4. Fantastic.
Now for the ladies, very important, do not do this move by yourself. Whenever you're gonna feel that the lady will dig into your left rib cage, then we are gonna open. So we're gonna go a side step, pivot, on 3 step forward, and on 4 we're gonna step forward very close to our partner. Do not step very far. So keep everything very close to each other on 4, okay?
Fantastic. So now we are going to do the same step. We're going to continue with the 5, 6, 7. On 8, we are going to double tap with our right to get back on the German count, because before we double tap with our left foot on 3 and 4 so we can match the lady's footstep. Now we are going to double tap on the 8 and 1 so we can get back on the lead footstep.
Ladies, we just walk forward, we don't double.
Alright, so sideways on 1, here we go, the whole thing, half tempo. So we have 5, 6, 7, side step. 1, roll, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, bring it together. 1, 2, 3, etc. and etc. to the next move. The whole thing, one more time. Here we go. 5, 6, side step, 7. Here we go. 1, roll, 2, step, 3, step, 4, step, 5, step, 6, step, 7, step, 8 together, 1 side, 2 and 3. Fantastic. From this side.
For the follows, starting with a side step, 5, 6, 7, go. Side, pivot, forward, 4, 5, 6, 7, continue, 1 side together. Okay, one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. One little important thing to mention when we do the corridinho, we start with the 4. Always the foot that's inside, and your partner will take a smaller step followed by a bigger step, smaller step on 5, bigger step, smaller step, and so on. Okay?
The whole thing. Full half tempo. 6 and 7. Here we go. Good fella. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and side step. 1, roll. 2, step. 3, step. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Together. 1 side, 2, etc. and etc. Whole thing.
Half tempo for the follows. 5, 6, 7, virgula. 1, 2, side, together. 1, 2, side, together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3.
Hey, full tempo. 5, 6, full tempo. 5, 6, 7. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and side. Roll. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Together, side. Fantastic.
Full tempo for the ladies. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, cha-cha. 1, 2, cha-cha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3.
Fantastic. Now with your partner. Here we go. 5, 6, 8. 5, 6, 7. Here we go. From this angle, I forgot to count. I'm going to count this time. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Fantastic.
Thank you guys for watching this video.
We hope you enjoyed the video, and if you do, make sure you subscribe, like, and share. Ring the bell notification so you can be notified as soon as we upload our next video.
And we will see